Welcome back, everyone.
Hello and welcome to our show.
Today we have a great topic.
We will talk about phone addiction.
Is mobile phone addiction real?
Let us explore this big question.
So, what is mobile phone addiction?
It is a strong urge to use phones.
This urge feels very difficult to resist.
People use phones excessively.
They ignore other important things.
This behavior can cause real harm.
Harm to what specifically?
It harms mental and physical health.
Can you give examples of harm?
Sleep problems are very common.
Not sleeping well sounds bad.
Yes, it impacts daily life greatly.
What else can happen?
Eye strain is another common issue.
My eyes feel tired often.
This is from looking at screens.
What about mental health effects?
Anxiety and depression can worsen.
So phones can make us sadder?
Yes, if used in unhealthy ways.
Are there social consequences too?
Definitely. Relationships can suffer a lot.
How does that happen exactly?
People become less present with others.
They are on their phones constantly.
Yes, during conversations and family time.
This must create awkward moments.
It can lead to feelings of neglect.
That sounds quite isolating for people.
It truly can be a lonely experience.
How do we know if we are addicted?
We often feel restless without our phones.
Restless is a good word.
We check our phones very frequently.
Even when there is no reason.
Yes, it becomes a habit.
What if we try to stop using it?
We might feel withdrawal symptoms then.
Like what kind of symptoms?
Irritability or mood swings are common.
So, it's not just about enjoying it?
No, it becomes a dependency issue.
Does everyone get addicted easily?
Not everyone, but it is a risk.
What makes some people more vulnerable?
Personal factors play a big role.
Like what personal factors?
Low self-esteem can contribute greatly.
So they seek validation online?
Exactly. Likes and comments feel good.
What about stress or loneliness?
These are also major contributing factors.
People use phones to escape problems.
Yes, it becomes a coping mechanism.
Are there specific apps that cause problems?
Social media apps are often cited.
And games too, right?
Yes, some games are designed to be addictive.
How do these apps hook us?
They use notifications to draw us back.
Those little red dots are everywhere.
And they provide constant rewards.
Like getting new messages or likes.
Exactly. It's a dopamine hit.
Dopamine is that happy chemical.
Yes, our brains love those rewards.
So, what are the signs of true addiction?
Neglecting responsibilities is a key sign.
Like missing work or school.
Yes, or forgetting important appointments.
This sounds like serious behavior.
It can disrupt life significantly.
What about productivity loss?
That is another major indicator.
We just waste so much time.
Time spent on the phone increases,
While other tasks get ignored.
yes, important work remains undone.
What about our physical well-being?
Poor posture is a common complaint.
We are always looking down.
Yes, leading to neck and back pain.
And we barely move.
Sedentary lifestyles are a big concern.
So, it affects our bodies too.
It certainly has physical health impacts.
What if someone suspects addiction?
The first step is acknowledging the problem.
That's often the hardest part.
It requires honesty with oneself.
What comes after acknowledgement?
Setting clear usage limits is crucial.
How can we set limits?
We can use screen time features.
Those phone settings are helpful.
Yes, they track usage and set timers.
What if we need stricter rules?
Designate phone-free times and zones.
Like during meals or at bedtime.
Exactly. Make bedrooms a no-phone zone.
That sounds like a good idea.
And meal times should be for connecting.
What about reducing notifications?
Turning off non-essential alerts helps.
So many notifications are distracting.
Yes, they pull our attention away constantly.
What if we delete some apps?
Removing problematic apps is effective.
Social media apps often come to mind.
If they cause distress, consider removing them.
Are there positive alternatives?
Absolutely. Engage in offline hobbies.
Like reading or playing sports.
Yes, anything that brings real joy.
What about spending time with friends?
Prioritize face-to-face interactions always.
That feels more fulfilling usually.
Authentic connections are very valuable.
Can we practice mindfulness?
Yes, being present in the moment helps.
So focus on what is happening now.
Yes, instead of on the phone screen.
What if self-help is not enough?
Seek professional help from a therapist.
Therapists can provide support.
They offer strategies and guidance.
Is it a shame to ask for help?
Not at all. It is a sign of strength.
So, it is a real problem then.
Yes, the impact is significant for many.
And it affects different people.
The reasons and consequences vary widely.
So it's not a one-size-fits-all.
Correct. Each person's situation is unique.
What are some positive phone uses?
Learning new skills is a great use.
Like watching educational videos.
Yes, or taking online courses.
Connecting with distant family is good.
Video calls can bridge long distances.
Accessing information quickly is helpful.
Phones are powerful tools for knowledge.
So, it's about balance.
Exactly. Moderation is key to everything.
How can we achieve this balance?
Be mindful of your phone habits.
Pay attention to how much we use it.
And notice how it makes you feel.
If it makes us feel bad, change it.
Yes, adjust your usage patterns then.
What if we always feel the need?
Explore the underlying reasons for that need.
Why do I always reach for it?
Is it boredom, stress, or anxiety?
Finding the root cause helps.
It allows for targeted solutions.
So, phone addiction is a real challenge.
Yes, but it is a manageable challenge.
With the right strategies, we can cope.
Absolutely. Small changes make a difference.
We don't have to be controlled by phones.
We can regain control of our time.
And focus on what truly matters.
Yes, real life and real connections.
Let's encourage our viewers to try.
Start with one small change today.
Maybe reduce screen time by 1 hour.
Or try a phone-free dinner tonight.
Be intentional with your phone use.
Take control of your digital life.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope this discussion was helpful.
Remember, you are not alone.
Many people face these same struggles.
Seek support if you need it.
You can overcome phone overuse challenges.
Keep practicing your English skills too.
Use your phone for learning English.
Watch more videos like this one.
Keep exploring our channel content.
Until next time, stay engaged.
And stay connected with real people.
Goodbye everyone.
See you in the next video.